Okay, All City Auctioneers here with another auction lot for the July 5th, 2023 online auction, government surplus and estate auction. This would be lot number, I do believe it is N-1006, and it is a Ford, 2003 Ford E250 Contractor's cargo van. I'll just do a little bit of a walk around for you. Exterior seems to be in pretty good condition for this one. You know, typical, few small marks and scratches, you know, a little dent there, rub marks on the bumpers, a little dent on that bumper there. But in reality, it's pretty straightforward. This one comes with a tow hitch, 2-inch receiver. Oh yeah, okay, and we got some damage here in the back, right behind the passenger rear tire, and lots of scratches here along the passenger side. I'll come in a little closer there. Just little minor scratches there, right along the passenger side. Front corners, front bumper, a couple of holes from equipment removal, but looking pretty good. Of course, we tow all these things into our yard for the auction sale, but we do drive them around to just kind of test them in our yard. Interior's pretty good. I don't think there was a lot. Driver's seat has some visible rips there, but I'll show you that here shortly. The security mesh, the cargo divider here does have a door that's opening, but I don't believe yeah, it looks like it's got a woodworking router bit locking it closed right now. So this vehicle has barn style doors on the side and rear, and wooden contractor's shelving inside. Just take you pretty straightforward. Few open shelves, you know, some storage area down below, little compartments here on the side, and again that mesh divider. Hand sanitation, no, it looks like it's actually a sunblock dispenser for working outside. That's a great idea. So put it right there, that way there you always have it handy for those hot summer days that we get, you know, throughout the year around here in Vancouver. Not sure if I said that this is a government surplus vehicle, but you know, we do government surplus vehicles and estate vehicles at the auction. Don't do a lot of private vehicles. Security mesh on the rear windows. Oops, that handle's a little difficult to use. This cargo bin here, this wooden one that you see, this one's loose, so I guess if you want to put it wherever you want, there you go. But pretty straightforward. You know, it's a cargo van. A little insert there where the window would be. So just close these up. We provide lots of photos of these vehicles on the auction site, and of course try to provide a more detailed description. Just going to grab the keys here and climb inside. Not a lot of options provided with these vehicles. You know, government vehicles years ago used to have like the least amount of options. This one's got, you know, manual windows. How often do you get that nowadays? Tilt steering, and I think an AM/FM radio. Sorry, there's the seat that I was talking about. A little bit of wear on the seat. I'm just gonna climb inside. 85,634 kilometers. And yes, you heard that right. This is a 2003, so 20 years old, with 85,000 kilometers on it. I'll fire it up. AM/FM radio, no air conditioning. Starts right up. All the warning lights come on. All the warning lights go off. Pretty straightforward. There's your view looking backwards. And then I'll pop out and let you listen to the vehicle, the motor. I'm gonna have to put you down because I can't lift. Oops, I guess I gotta pop the release. And then it's raining again here in Vancouver, hence the requirement for that sunscreen. Yeah, so 4.3 liter, no, let me see, what was this? 4.2 liter, I believe that's their straight six, the 6-cylinder gas engine. You know, the workhorse of all of the commercial vehicles. But you know, I could be wrong. I don't know my vehicle engines very well, but it is a 4.2 liter 6-cylinder engine. I know it's a 6-cylinder. Don't know if it's a V6 or a straight 6, but really doesn't matter. Definitely some rust there along the front of the bumper. So again, this is selling on July the 5th, 2023 from Langley, British Columbia. We do all of our auctions online now. We are All City Auctioneers, and we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. and as you can see, the yard's pretty full. There's 2 other of these vans included in the sale. I think there's 3 estate cars, this little Honda and that little Hyundai, and then I believe these Nissan in the back there. A couple of big trucks there, garbage packer, and away we go. So all of it sells to the highest bid. That's right, no reserves, no minimums, no starting prices. You know, if you're lucky and you know, your bid is $2,000 and nobody outbids you, you buy this vehicle for that much. So hope you get another buy-by auction. This is All City Auctioneers. Good luck.